So the other day, the wiper arm on the back of the Juke broke off. I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace this. So let me get started. Okay, so that nut is a 12mm nut. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. A little rusty. So these things, the plastic is sheared here, so it's just free spinning on this nut. To get this off of here, I'm going to take a C-clamp and put it on here and put it against the stud in the bottom of this wiper assembly, and I'm going to twist it off. So this is how I have the C-clamp positioned so I can twist it. I'm just going to slowly turn it and hopefully break the stud loose here. There it goes, I think. There it goes, yep. So this is the wiper arm. It is an actual genuine Nissan part. Pull it out of the bag, and there's the part number, I believe. So this is the wiper arm, brand new one. So it looks like it just goes on like so, and then we'll just wrench it on with the, I think it should be about there. And I'm going to wrench the nut on. Surprising how rusty this nut is. I mean, the car is 7 years old, but you would think they would have used a nut that wouldn't have rusted on here. It's quite surprising, actually. And that is it in a nutshell. Just snap that little cover back in place and wiper arm installed. Voila! Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if you liked it. And I'll see you on the next video.